Hollow Diary 001. Creatures. For years, they've been something of a rite of passage on Magnus. Their very presence seems to enrich, inspire, and motivate us all. It is a bond no one has ever sought to understand. Until now. Using a complex array of technological thingamadoos, my colleague Nevo Binkelmeyer and I have been investigating the effect of creatures on their owners. Take my own companion, Mr. Dinkles. His mere presence seems to amplify my talents as a paradoxologist. But observe him through the lens of a vectomorphic triciloscope. What strange manifestation is this? Have we discovered some new form of cosmic radiation? We must learn more about this energy. Nevo believes he can modify the protomorphic energy extractors in order to separate the energy from its host. Tomorrow will be a great day for science. Hollow Diary 002. A heinous crime has been committed. This morning, I awoke to find my laboratory in shambles. The vectomorphic triciloscope was smashed. The crack-resistant flume canisters were cracked. And worst of all, an egregious theft had been committed. The plans for the protomorphic energy extractor, gone. All that was left behind was a recipe for drop-it stew. Mr. Dinkles, my friend, my muse. Someone had taken him, but it couldn't be. No. Nevo, what have you done?
Wait a minute. You don't think...
Hollow Diary 003. It has been 22 years since I lost Mr. Dinkles. I checked the fjords of Rankaroo, the meadows of Tortemfi, and even the bluffs of Vendros. Nothing. But I know he's out there. Poor Mr. Dinkles. I shudder to think of the countless birthdays he spent as a slave to Nevo's machinations. What plans does that traitor have for these creatures? I must act before it's too late. I have repurposed an old servitor drone to scour the planet for his whereabouts. Using a sample of Mr. Dinkles' DNA, Ephemeris will run a comparative analysis of every life form it encounters until it finds a match. Without Mr. Dinkles, Nevo's plans will crumble, and Magnus will be safe from his treachery.
You might be right about that.
You know, I'm actually starting to like it here. Sure, it's a dangerous planet riddled with murderous robots and exotic predators, but take away all that, and what do you have? A presidential retreat / water park.
Can I kill him now?
No, 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 no!
I can make it look like an accident.
How? Ratchet. All right, no.